Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the DeLonghi Magnifica Dual. First, let's check out the box. This is the layout of the machine. This machine does it all. It grinds your beans, froths hot and cold milk, and brews a variety of drinks, which is all customizable. Let's open it up. I found the easiest way to take the machine out was to gently place the open end of the box down and lift the box up so the machine slides down. You may want to open the box up from the bottom. Let's see what's inside the box. We got the cleaning tabs, which you'll use to deep clean the machine, the hot carafe, the cold carafe, the hot water spout, and a water filter. Inside the bag with the manuals is a scoop for pre-ground coffee, a water hardness test strip, the manuals, which is in a few different languages, registration card, warranty information. It comes with a 2-year warranty, quick start guide to get you started, which also shows which parts are dishwasher safe, and a welcome card. Now let's take a look at the machine. This is the drip tray and the coffee grounds container. The drip tray consists of 3 parts. The top cup tray, the middle grill with a float level indicator, which lets you know if the tray is full of water, and the bottom tray. Here's the control panel with a colored screen in the center. The spout is adjustable and should be lowered as close to the cup so it doesn't splatter out and it makes a creamier coffee. The power cord is a little over 3 feet long. The water tank is located on the side and is removed from the front of the machine by pulling it out. The water tank holds about half a gallon of water. The water filter is fitted here. It has a removable lid, but there's an opening so water can be poured without removing the lid. On the side of the machine, behind the water tank, is the brewing unit. This needs to be cleaned periodically. The water tank slides back into place. The hot water spout and the carafe can be connected at the front of the machine. Slide the accessories door down and push the accessory in and firmly pull straight out to remove. Here's a quick breakdown of the carafes, which are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Pull off the lid, remove the tube, pull the milk spout away from the lid to remove, The hot carafe is a removable spout extension. On the lid, turn the froth adjustment to the remove position and pull out. On the back of the lid, turn the connector counterclockwise and pull to remove. And just reverse to put it all back together. On the top of the unit is a small flap for pre-ground coffee. Make sure you review the instructions before use. It's important to note you can only add 1 scoop of pre-ground coffee using the provided scoop to make 1 coffee at a time while the machine is on. Behind that is the lid for the bean container. This is where you add your coffee beans and adjust the grind setting. And that's a detailed look at the DeLonghi Magnifica Dual machine and everything included.